This is a Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Tuesday, April 5th. I'm Christopher Valentine. Spring break is just around the corner and everyone's getting excited, including our Commodores. On Friday, the baseball team scored an impressive 10-0 win over Norcom. Derek Baker and Bryson Hamilton held the Greyhounds to 1 hit, while Carson Goad had 3 hits and drove in 6 runs for the Commodores. The softball team also scored a big 17-4 win over the Greyhounds. The girls' soccer team was not as fortunate, falling to Princess Anne 3-0. On Monday, our boys and girls tennis teams played against Churchland. The boys beat Churchland 7-2, while the girls cruised to a 9-0 victory. Now here's Mikey Doncel with what's coming up on the schedule.
Thanks, Chris. We have 4 teams in action today, starting with the boys and girls tennis teams playing at Lake Taylor at Northside Park. Matches start at 3:30. Shout out to Mackenzie Miles on the girls tennis team. The baseball and softball teams also played today at Booker T. Washington. Both games start at 4:30. On Wednesday, the girls and boys tennis teams are back in action against Granby. The boys play at Granby High School and the girls play at Northside Park. Both teams play at 3:30. Our JV baseball team battles Cape Henry Collegiate here at Maury. Game time is 4:30. Finally, the girls and boys soccer teams battle Norview Pilots. The girls play at 4, followed by the boys at 6. Both games are at Norview. Both teams are coming off a win. Let's see if they can keep that up. That's it for me. I'm Mikey Doncel. Back to you, Chris.
Now here's what's happening at MHS. You're up to date for Monday, April 5th. Tuesday, April 5th. I'm Christopher Valentine. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.
This has been a Commodore News Update. This has been a Commodore News Update.